We have had a catastrophe on the layout. Check it out. I'm Rick, and this is Old Camp Ranch. Welcome back to the channel. Well, it really wasn't a catastrophe. I just decided to change things up around on the layout, and so I can make room to build a couple of dioramas just for the fun of it. So let's have a look. So what I'm going to do is this area right here, this is just plasterboard right there. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to take this, whatever backing I put there for this curve, because there's not really that much room right there, and I think I can utilize this area better if I have this taken off. Also, I want to take off this wall right here, maybe where these domes are behind here. I want to take that wall that they're standing up against and move it back a little bit as well, but this right here is going to be problematic. But we'll see how it goes. Well, looks like I put some masonite and I put staples. Oh no. Well, there was some masonite right here. There's like a 2x6 in here. I stapled the masonite. It feels like I glued it as well, which is now working against me, but I'm gonna see if I can pull this piece of masonite out without knocking the whole layout down to the floor. Well, I got the piece of masonite out, and you can see there's a cavity right in there, which would be a nice place for a diorama. Well, start drilling through here. I'm gonna drill like a doorway opening in here somewhere. Took all the gnomes out of this side here. Some of them fell down. Ah! But I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to drill from this side going that way, open this up right here. Because this is another piece of masonite that's curved right there, and it's got 2x6s underneath, or 2x8s. Let's see how this goes. Well, you can see the progress. Sort of progress I made. I pulled this out of here, and then a piece of masonite that was a curve there, and then pulled this piece out, but that looks like a 2x6 that goes all the way across. They're not screwed down to the base. This part is not attached there, so I can pick it up in a future date when I move this thing. But I want to cut another hole right in here, which is going to be tricky, to say the least, because it's down in there. I got all this in front of the workspace here, but I don't know. I may take some of these out and put them back in, or I'm going to try to go from this side right here and drill some holes. I'll move these guys out of the way. What a mess. And I busted my way through there. Made a huge mess. I think it's gonna make a really nice area to make a diorama in here and all the way around kind of continue, which was kind of a dead space. These poor guys down here, they took the brunt of it. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try to take not such a shaky video. You can see it look like beavers or something chewed through there, but I just drilled it out with a spade bit a whole bunch of times to cut a hole there. And here I did the same thing, just cut that open so I can build. Look how precise I am. Wow. But this whole area here, I can build some kind of a diorama, something kind of unique. I appreciate all the great comments. Put a comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about me hacking my layout all the smithereens. Let me know. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you on the next one.